Working with Guitar Pro, tablature software, and dealing with GFD font data files, these contain musical notation fonts for guitar tab display. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how Guitar Pro font data files function. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor GFD errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. A GFD file is a font data file used by Guitar Pro 7, a popular music composition and tablature software. Users encounter this file as part of the software's installation, as it contains the specific musical notation fonts required to correctly display scores, tablature, and chord diagrams within the application. The GFD file is a proprietary binary format containing vector or bitmap definitions for musical symbols. This custom font format ensures that complex musical notation, which is not covered by standard text fonts, is rendered consistently and accurately across all platforms where Guitar Pro is used. The GFD proprietary design mandates association with Guitar Pro 7 from Aerobus Music. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows streamlines the installation of custom fonts for creative projects. Your key initial action: right-click the GFD file and select Open With. If Guitar Pro 7 is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the GFD file opens. If your GFD file isn't cooperating, don't worry. When the file is still closed, you're facing one of three standard issues. Let's run through this easy-to-read list of causes and checks. First, working with Guitar Pro. Launch Guitar Pro, which automatically uses GFD font data files installed in the application directory. No direct user interaction with GFD files is needed under normal operation. Guitar Pro reads font data during application startup, applying it to tablature rendering throughout the user interface for consistent musical notation display. Next, reinstalling application. If GFD font issues appear in Guitar Pro, reinstall the application to restore proper font data. Uninstall through System Control Panel, then download the latest Guitar Pro installer from aerobusmusic.com. Reinstallation places fresh GFD files in the correct application directories, ensuring proper font rendering across all Guitar Pro features. Finally, verifying file locations. Locate GFD files in the Guitar Pro installation directory, typically Program Files/Guitar Pro 8 on Windows or Applications Guitar Pro 8 on macOS. Verify files are present with appropriate file sizes and permissions. Missing or corrupted GFD files cause notation display issues requiring application reinstallation or font file recovery from backup. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.